Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can find your friends in Google Chat. So to do so, first of all, open the app. Now just tap on search, and now you can just search your friends by using their email. You cannot just write their name, you have to use an email. So I've used my friend's email, and as you can see in matching suggestions, my friend's email has appeared over here. And if you search your friend's email as well, then their email would also appear this way. So just tap on it, and then you would have successfully found your friends. So guys, that's how you find your friends in Google Chat. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment down below. If you want more videos like these, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.